Good morning. Today we discuss about the topic of what is an expert system. In the field of artificial intelligence and expert systems are computer programs that use AI technology to imitate the decision-making capabilities of human experts such as analysis, designing, judgment, problem solving, etc. What are the examples of artificial intelligence? The constant advancement in AI and other technologies has enabled industries to create more accurate and enhanced expert systems, such as ROSE and MANOJEE is an expert of another expert systems. ROSE is a self-learning AI attorney powered by IBM Watson. The cognitive computing system, it provides legal assistance using technologies like data mining, natural language processing, pattern recognition, and deep learning. Similarly, we have a lot of examples that is called MANOJEE, Dentral, Cognito expert systems, all those things. And in this expert system, what are the characteristics available? One of the best first characteristics, it is based on expert knowledge acquisitions. So knowledge engineer is more important in expert systems. It is understandable and responsible, and also it is a high level expertise and experience, accuracy in problem solving, and highly reliable and high performance and more efficient, and more importantly it is not incorporates a knowledge base containing accumulated experience and inference, and designated to advise and inform and solve the problems in AI technologies. And then we discuss the topics of architecture of expert systems. In that architecture of expert system, we have the some of the components we know before the topics. That is one of the things is knowledge base. Knowledge base is a collection of domain specific factual and heuristic knowledge formalized and organized by knowledge representative through. Here two things we have to follow: knowledge acquisition and heuristic knowledge. Heuristic knowledge in the sense we know right path we have to choose, and we have four path means which path we have to choose in the next step. So that is a heuristic search. So we have heuristic values. In that heuristic value, which one is the higher minimum value, that will we have to choose. In that knowledge base, we have to use two techniques. That is, one is frame based system and product rules. This is an overall architecture of expert systems. One end will be a expert getting the knowledge base, expert giving the knowledge to the knowledge base, and inference engine getting information from the knowledge base, and user interface, it is both connected with inference engine and not expected users. And not expected user have only the problem is given and the solution is getting, but in the process what other things happen is not known. So that is a not expert user. And learning mechanisms, in case any feedback is given to the not expert user, that feedback will be getting to the expert, and then again that problem will be solving in the expert systems. And then second one we have to discuss about inference engine. This is the main processing element of expert system. The inference engine is also automated system that acquires and manipulates knowledge from the knowledge base to formulate accurate conclusion to the user problems. This knowledge from the knowledge base is acquired in the form of rule applied to the known facts to infer new facts to reach the solutions. This is achieved with the use of two methods of reasoning: forward chaining and backward chaining. Forward chaining in the sense forward, we have to move, list out the facts, and that facts we have to combine with the under, and we have to take the decision, and decision we have to conclude with another decision. That is called forward chaining. And backward chaining, this is a reverse process of forward chaining. We have the decision, and that decision we have to again split up with two decisions, and that decision we have to split up into multiple facts. This is the backward chaining. Third one is a user interface. A user interface is another crucial part of expert system. The user interface is an inference that helps user interact with the expert systems. It makes the user query is in a readable form and passes into the inference engine, which evaluates into display a solution to the user. Capabilities of an expert systems. And stated earlier, expert systems are not suitable for decision making, but assistants that are capable of performing the following tasks: predicting the result, suggesting alternate solution, demonstrate an explanation, instructing and assistance, and predicating results, interpreting in units. What is the need of expert systems? Basically, it will be main use of expert system is diagnostic disease and computer programming. So classification of diagnosis. So this is an offer assistance identifying object and the related characteristics and monitoring. Another need of expert system is monitoring the process and action based on the past behavior, data, and pattern. Predictions. We can be predicted scenarios and plans to contact estimation, weather forecast, etc. And designing is a developing system based on its specifications. Types of expert systems. The expert systems are categorized into 5 different types, each of which categories a different domain analysis using the list of expert systems types. Rule-based expert systems. In that rule base, we have the following steps: knowledge base, database, inference engine, explanation facilities, and user interface. So these are the things that will be called as rule-based technologies. In that rule base, we have to know these rules, the domain knowledge, and set of facts that helps to reflect the current situations. A rule-based expert system has the uniform structure of your rule base. Within each rule is an independent piece of knowledge and information systems. So, and then next one is a fuzzy expert systems. Fuzzy is another method. It should be in Boolean data types, and then if and then rule will be applied. That is known as a collection of member functions and rules that are used to reason about data. Like rule-based expert system, fuzzy expert systems to respond knowledge in the form of if-then rules. Frame-based expert systems. Unlike the former two types of expert system, knowledge frame-based expert systems and object relational database technologies. In that we have to use complex knowledge bases. We have to use and neural expert system. This is another type. Neural expert system, the hybrid expert systems. It having both neural networks and rule-based expert systems. This is also one of the rule-based systems, but also we have to using the knowledge of neural networks. We have to use neural knowledge base and knowledge stored in the neurons from the weights. And then neuro-fuzzy expert system. This is also similar types of neural networks, but we have to combine the parallel and computational learning abilities of neural networks and fuzzy systems. Human-like knowledge representations and explanations and ability. It can learn using standard learning algorithms developed for neural networks. It can be trained, develop if then fuzzy and rules to determine the membership functions for input and output variables of the system. And what are the advantages of expert system? Some of the major advantages we have to the system easily available, reduced risk, and also any environment can be played compared to human, can be error rate is less and reduce the protection cost and offer steady responses and helps distribute knowledge. And disadvantages of expert systems: lack emotional and common sense, domain specific, incapable of learning, needs to updated manually, cannot explain the logic behind the decisions. So these are the disadvantages. And another topic is expert system.